Hello, my name is Mikhail and I want to introduce you my course Practical Social Techniques from Zero Build Society from Scratch. This course for people who actively participate in the creation of communities or want to influence them their development in organic way. This course I built based on my 15 years experience in different informal groups, communities, or formal civil society organizations. Like Wikimedia community in Belarus, like Political Pirates community in Belarus, cyclist community, or for example, yard informal football communities. This is the base, like my experience. I will touch the like micro level of society communities with a core around 15 25 individuals in the core. So this is like scope of the course. What are main pillars of the course? So firstly, this is video lectures. You can already watch them in the landing page down below. So the second one is about the questions, practical questions to my students, which follow them. They can somehow influence the organic development of their groups. And the last one, and but not least, this is about the real conversation online, definitely conversations and discussing current challenges of my students who built or participated in some communities. What is more, some people thinks that society is a sum of individuals, of citizens, but I think the society is the communities which living in the permanent collaboration and integration. What I want to say that's the build society. It's not only the moment we can influence like individuals, but also very curious stuff. And the last but not least, I'm writing the book based on the course, so your participation, they help me to accelerate the process, and collect funds and like my energy for completing this. So join my course and see you there.